Can you give her a bite? Give Kaylin a bite. In her mouth. In her mouth. Oh. Or just hand her the spoon. Here, let's try again. Ready? Okay, I'm gonna put it in her mouth though. Here, Mac. Oh, I know, you know the camera's on. Here. Can you give her this? Put it in her mouth. Oh, walk over there. Put it in her mouth. Good job. Let her take it off. Here. No. And try again. And try again. We'll give it to her. Good job. Thank you, Mac. Thank you. Mac's helping with lunch now too. Okay, put it in her mouth. Put it in her mouth, Mac. Take it out. Mac, grab the spoon. Ooh. Try again. There you go. In her mouth. Oh, put it in her mouth, Mac. Good job. Yeah. High five.